loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this purple butterfly look right here. But before I start on this video, I do want to say that I am starting my lash business. So if you guys want to follow me on that on Instagram, I have a link down below in the description box. But let's get right into today's video. So for the palette I'm using is the Jaclynhill Volume 2, and I'm using this light purple called Therapy Sheesh, and I'm just placing that all over the crease. So the next color I'm going to be taking is I'm In It. It's like a purple pinkish shimmer. And I'm just going to place that all over the lids. For glitter, I'm using jglitzzmakeup in the shade To Fly. And it even matches my nails. For lashes, I'm using this Karabeauty Fabula lashes in the style A52. For foundation, I'm using the Beautycreation's Flawless Day in the shade FS 7.0. For blush, I am taking the Milani Berry Amore. So in this part of the video, I didn't show you guys what translucent powder I was using to set my face, but I'm using the Laura Mercier in the shade Honey. To overline my lips, I'm using the NYX lip pencil in the shade called Peekaboo Natural. For lipsticks, I'm using the karabeauty liquid lipstick in the shade Wifey. So this completes today's look. I hope you guys really liked it. Let me know what other types of makeup looks you guys want me to see. But I'll see you guys next time on my next video.